Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic REST Commander tutorial how to add attribute to existing block. So for example, I will create block. You can draw rectangle. I will create here and I will create text inside the rectangle. Okay, you can set name like into 8. Click outside. Now to convert into block, you can type block, press enter, select the base point. For the names, I will set into example, and base point, I will click in here. For the object, you can select this all object. Make sure to check convert to block, click OK. Now we have this block object. And now to add attribute into this block, you can double click to go into block editor. And in here you can tap ATT to create the attribute. Press enter. Okay, set the names. I will set into 8 and also caption 8. For the height, you can click at these icons and I will click from this point to here for the height text. If you done, click OK. Now we can insert the text inside the rectangle. Click close. And then you can choose save. Now I will delete this block and we can insert again. We can tap insert, press enter. Okay, we insert this example block, click OK. Now you can see this block object. You can click to apply and there are the option near the cursor 8. So you can type like into Mufasuket and press enter to insert the attribute. Okay, that's it for basic REST Commander tutorial, how to add attribute to existing block. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.